Okay, today let's talk a bit about when you should propagate your Colocasia runner. The one in my hand here is not proper age yet. This, I don't know if they could be called the cotyledon leaf. Um, you shouldn't cut to propagate when you only have this cotyledon leaf. You should wait for the true leaf to unfurl, like this one of them is coming up. Not just only one, I would say in my experience, at least two, leaf. This one, the cotyledon leaf, is showing up, and this one, the one of the true leaf is the true one true leaf is already out, ready to unfurl in a couple of days. And now let's continue with the appropriate size that you should separate it from the mother plant. Now, in my personal experience, let's say about this size, about 10 to 15 centimeters. That's the good time. This is according to my personal experience and what I have been told by some, I would say, big Colocasia garden in Thailand, that if it's like, let's say, this big, this tall, this is about, I would say, 20-25 centimeters. If you separate it, if you cut it and propagate, it's stunt the growth much more than the like 10-15 centimeters size, and it takes much more time to recover than the smaller ones. So with my experience and what I've been told, to separate your Colocasia baby from the mother plant when it's about 10 to 15 centimeters. And once you propagate them, put them under the shed for, let's say, for about a week, in my house condition at the temperature of about 30 to 35, swinging every day, and the humidity is about ranging from 30 to 70. But I would have them on a tray filled with a little water to keep them moist and wet. And you can use your propagating medium as you like, any like philodendron mix or clay or syngonium soil, or I myself would try sand the next time. Let's see how it works, because it works with the syngonium I have propagate. So I'm gonna try with Colocasia because it's a lot cheaper and easier to get here than clay. So I'll go with that next. You use what you have, as long as it's wet and warm, that's good. They don't like, well, at least all the ones I have, all the Colocasias I have, seem to be like stunted when it was during the winter, when the temperature drops. Like these days drops in the night, it's like 20 Celsius, and during the day it's like 35 or 30, but they're still okay. But back about a month or two ago, it drops at the night to like 15, 16, and during the day it's less than 25. They don't seem to like it. All of my Colocasia is like stunt and not growing. Some even seem to like die, but unfortunately they survive. And I did propagate a bunch of Colocasia during the winter, It has been about 2 months, and they keep like like dying, but not really dying. They did not die, but they keep losing the leaf. uh One other thing, one problem is the pest. The other thing is the temperature. It's too cold and too dry. My colocasia didn't like it, so I would recommend not propagating colocasia during the winter. uh Me myself, I don't know any colocasia that would tolerate the cold. I guess there are a bunch of them, but the one I have is not those kind. And that would be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.